On today's video, we've got fried shrimp, filet shrimp, shrimp gumbo, boiled shrimp.
No.
What's some more shrimp?
Shrimp souffle.
Souffle?
I don't know. No, we don't. We have
No.
jacked up shrimp.
Yeah, you never heard of that before. Roll that intro. What's up, my keto friends? I'm glad you're watching, and you know exactly who you are. My name's Byron Dice.
And I'm Susan Dice.
Welcome back to another video on this channel. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to live a simple keto lifestyle and other keto related topics, do me a favor, click that subscribe button that's right below the video. It's the big red button. Then move over a little bit, click the bell, and then click the word all so you get all notifications when we upload great ketogenic content here.
It's amazing how I have keto friends, like actual keto friends, that will ask me a question like, have you ever made so-and-so? And I'm like, seriously? Are you watching my channel? Because I literally, somebody asked me about the Parmesan chicken, and somebody said, have you made Parmesan chicken? I was like literally, that was like 3 videos ago. So if you don't click all, you might miss something. Just saying.
And does that mean they're really not a keto friend?
No, they're a keto friend because they're interested and they're asking me questions. They just missed it.
I think a real keto friend would have watched the video and went, hey, that chicken Parmesan was outstanding.
Wow.
Thank you. Hey, guess what? Jacked up shrimp. Why? Because we're using pepper jack.
Yeah, and I just looked, scoured the interwebs, whatever you call it, and found there's a restaurant, I think it's called like Don's Seafood or something, I'm not sure. But anyway, there was a bunch of different recipes for jacked up shrimp, and I just kind of gleaned from a bunch of different recipes. So there's not really one particular recipe that I can throw a shout out to, but just kind of got it from a bunch of different sites.
I have heard of bang bang shrimp, which that's fried, right? Is that fried? Has it got coconut on it? Anyway, when I eat it, I'm like, bang, bang. It's delicious.
So good.
I can't remember where I tried that bang, bang shrimp.
One of our
a lot of people serve it.
One of our keto friends, channel Think Keto, she did bang, bang shrimp.
Wait a minute.
Believe.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I believe
Okay,
she
we're
did.
going to have to do that one.
If
because
she did
one of our videos.
Yeah.
We're doing bang, bang shrimp from her channel. Okay, that's a good idea. Good idea. Now, this is jacked up shrimp. Now, I thought this was original because I never heard of jacked up shrimp. And when I heard jacked up, I thought it was actual jumbo shrimp that was like, muscled up and was jacked. That's what I thought. But
well, because we use that word
wrong.
a lot. We use that word a lot. Oh man, that's jacked up.
Yeah, it's jacked up.
Yeah, he thought it was mine. I should have told
Let's get to jacking.
Nope. Okay, and for today's recipe, we're using 24 shrimp. They're already peeled and deveined. Using 12 pats of butter, 12 slices of pepper jack cheese, 1/2 cup of bacon, and 1 teaspoon of Cajun powder and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And we're going to use some green onions to garnish.
Jacked up shrimp. This ain't bubble gum shrimp. This is jacked up shrimp. Now, you saw what we put in it. Here's the deal here. This really isn't like, this is my keto friend channel and we do everything keto. But this isn't really, hey, let's make this and pull the carbs and sugar out. Usually, when we do that, we're making something keto because we're replacing the carb and the sugar. This has none of that. So it's really
Already
not,
keto.
it's not really keto. It's just good.
Yeah.
I don't even know if you can say that.
Anyway,
should
I
we
don't
just?
even know how to eat this.
I don't either. Wait a minute. Okay, so there's two. Oh, so I'm gonna grab this like a sandwich. Look at this.
Okay.
Grabbing it like a sandwich.
I mean.
Ready? Here we go. Okay. I shouldn't have put two in there. I think it's just one shrimp.
What? No, just don't.
I should have put one. Two's a bit much with all the bacon.
Okay. This is what I'm gonna say.
Okay. I'm having a hard time with it.
It tastes amazing, but this is the deal. I think we should have used not cooked
The shrimp's a little tough.
It's because the shrimp was already cooked, and I knew that. I told you, ideally, you need to use raw shrimp, deveined raw shrimp.
But that pepper jack on the top of that junk, come on, boys. Get jacked up.
The flavor, the taste is amazing, but the shrimp is a little bit chewy because it was already cooked. But that's all I had on hand. Sorry, guys. But it is.
You know?
Yeah.
I'm kind of hungry. That's how we do it on My Keto Friends.
I think I would put this on like a bed of maybe some spicy cauliflower rice.
Oh, you know what else? Here's what we found out too when we were making this. The strips of cut up pepper jack, it seemed like it would have probably been better if it was shredded. Now you can shred that yourself. Or I don't even know if they sell. I've never seen pepper jack shredded. Have you? Woo, boy, that's good stuff, Bubba Gump.
Really good.
What are you talking about?
Do you need a napkin?
I got one. Man, that's the video, guys. I hope you like jacked up shrimp. If you do, give us a thumbs up. And if you cook this at your house and feed somebody and they like it, leave us a comment and let us know how that turned out.
I'm still chewing.
I am too. Until next time, remember, what happened? Till next time, remember, keep it Bubba Gump, jacked up, keto shrimp.
Okay. It's okay.
That wasn't good. I didn't like it.
I'm gonna turn on this car.
Couldn't break your heart.